we are going to the Planetarium today. First of all, we need to buy our tickets. Every time we use this machine, it gets more familiar, we feel more confident. When we're on the platform, we pay attention to the TVs and screens, which tell us when the next metro will be. It's a lovely sunny day today, so we don't mind waiting. Today's journey is kind of simple because we're only using the metro. We're leaving South Shields and we are getting off at Haymarket. There's a few ways to know where you are on the metro system. One is looking out the window. If you recognise landmarks, you can tell where you are. We've arrived at Haymarket Metro Station. Some of the group will be using the lift to get to street level. Hi Sean. In Metro Station there can be signs showing you which streets exits are. The planetarium was great fun and we're looking forward to coming back to see the rest of the museum. Now it's time to head back to Haymarket and get the metro back.